If we are forced to give out the names and phone numbers and residential addresses, where you live with your family, if we have to do that soon after these thugs are arrested, when it comes to the prosecution of violent felony cases, I will be out of business.
It's the side of the Erie County DA we're just not used to seeing. Frank Sedita could not hold back his anger when talking about the growing number of witness intimidation cases that he's seeing. And he says it could soon get a lot worse if lawmakers get their way. Rich Newberg has this story tonight. New at 5:30. Rich?
Diana, defense attorneys claim the playing field is not level in criminal cases in our state because they don't know the identities of the prosecution witnesses until the trial begins. But prosecutors say the safety of those witnesses would be compromised if their identities are revealed. DA Frank Sedita gave me two recent examples today. Prosecutors say Eugene Lawrence Sr. of Buffalo had threatened to kill his estranged wife and their 7 children. He was arrested and later convicted of illegally possessing a weapon. But while in the Erie County Holding Center, Lawrence intimidated witnesses by phone, say prosecutors, and even made open threats against the assistant DAs who were on his case, calling them white witches. This is an excerpt obtained by News 4.
These people think I'm stupid. I am coming back at their They think I'm just going to do the time and let it go. They're stupid as hell. They better read my record. I don't forget.
He knows that we're monitoring those conversations, and so he's expressing his threats on his phone calls, how he's going to get the prosecution team.
David McKithen of Buffalo used Facebook to intimidate witnesses by having their grand jury testimony, which had been provided to his attorney, posted on the social network, labeling them as snitches.
His famous signature line was, "If nobody talks, everybody walks."
Erie County DA Frank Sedita says witness intimidation is a growing problem. He is now fighting an attempt in the New York Senate to allow defense attorneys to have the names, addresses, and phone numbers of prosecution witnesses, even in cases involving violent criminal acts.
Where you live with your family, if we have to do that soon after these thugs are arrested, when it comes to the prosecution of violent felony cases, I will be out of business because nobody will cooperate.
Now, Terry Connors, News 4, our special analyst for legal matters, says the proposed law would allow for the protection of witnesses if prosecutors can prove there may be a safety issue involved.
Yeah, it sounds like this is not going to be enough, though, to satisfy Sedita.
Well, the DA believes this would have a chilling effect on people who might want to come forward in cases, in criminal cases. So we're going to have to see how this plays out in the state Senate.
All right. We'll look forward to your update. Thank you, Rich.